Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create templates on your Microsoft Word. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your Word, search here on the search bar and click the Word file here, and from here you can see the option new. But first of all, you need to ensure that your PC is connected to a internet connection via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. After that, just click new one here, and here you can see different type of templates available online and ready to use. Suppose I'm gonna edit this template. Just double click it to open, and here all you can do is just click it and customize your template as you like. Just customize your this template as you like, and you can also change the text and use this template. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will see you guys in the next video.